Good evening. Welcome all. A very warm welcome to today's session of tarot reading and angel readings. We'll wait for people to join in. Anybody there? Hello. Anybody there? Hello. Welcome. Can you please confirm if I'm audible and visible enough? Good evening. Shivani, am I audible and visible? Guys, can you please confirm if I'm audible and visible? Am I audible enough? Hello. Hi, Asta. Asta, am I audible? Am I audible enough? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. Uh, Hello, Priyanka. Hello, Isha. Hi, all. A very warm welcome to today's session on tarot reading and angel readings. Okay, I'm doing something usually always come up with numerology. Today I thought probably I'll give you some kind of a guidance of what the angels are going to tell you, or what they want to tell you. Hi, Neva. Okay, thank you so much, Shivani, for confirming. So basically, we're doing a tarot session today, wherein we would be answering your questions. Uh, Whatever questions you have, we can answer them. We can also read into the angel guidance, and we can see what the angels have to say for you, or what is their message for you, So we can definitely go about with that. So these are there are a lot of tarot things happen in tarot, angel tarots, and many more things. These are just some kind of an affirmations whether we are on the right track in our life, what we need to do, whether things will work out or not, and things like that. So you can get started with your question. If anybody has any question, we'll get started with that. Okay. Any questions, anybody? Will get started with our today's sessions. Okay. I cannot see any thing coming up. Just let me scroll by. Okay. So basically, I let me tell you something about myself. I'm Malti. I'm from Mumbai. I am an astronumerologist, tarot reader, Reiki healer, crystal healer, and also I deal into candle healings. A lot, many of the healing modalities. So that's about me. I'm an ex banker by profession in this field since last 10 years. Going about, I love learning more about occult things, and that's how I go about. I like to enrich myself with the knowledge as much as I can gain about. So do we have any questions coming up? I do not see any questions. Does anybody? Quite surprising today. Hi, Sakshi. I see, going about with that. So if you have any questions that you would like to ask tarot readings done, or you would like to have some kind of an angel guiding done, we can get started with it. Hello all. Yes, who is this? Okay. A guidance for me for professionally. Okay, Sakshi. Sakshi, it says that the angel says that there are some brilliant ideas working up in your mind, and some kind of an inspiration is coming for you. Okay. You need to understand the situation properly. The beginning may be a little challenging, but you would definitely get success into going about with it. This is a phase, as I've also told you before, of a new beginnings and new ideas. Go for it. Initially you may have some issues, but then they would be sorted out. There's nothing of those kinds. Husband, okay, Sakshi, that one was for you. Tanuja is saying for her husband, business related. What exactly do you want to know for business? It says that Tanu, for your husband, it says that your husband is on the verge of taking some decisions, and he needs to take those decisions very objectively. He has to move away from the things that no longer serve his purpose. You will have to see He would have to see the situation in a very rational manner, rather than taking an emotional decisions. I see him moving away from the current scenario that he is into. Maybe he's taking a decisions to move out or something of those kinds it shows, but it says that he needs to that decision needs to be taken, and it shouldn't be delayed. Toshi is asking for a general reading. I'm not able to trust. How long will this last? Mantra, I would for that. In what context are you not able to? Are you not generally able to trust people, or was it? What is it? I need to understand that. What exactly are you trying to tell me that you do not? You have trust issues. Let's see if I'll take it as probably if you have a general trust issues. Yes, it shows that somewhere you're very emotional. You're taking too many things at one given point of time. You need to take a very, relax, take a step back, and take a very playful approach towards things. Do not be, things are not that serious that you think it to be. Taking it from where I see for the card says that you probably need to, take it low and take it. In a very positive, in a very playful manner. Things are not that bad as they seem to be. So that is for you. Kavita, I need to have guidance for my online business. Okay. Kavita, it says that there is a need for Kavita, this one is for you. It says that there is a need for balance and moderation at the moment. You need to balance out things very easy, very tactfully. You need to compromise and cooperate. These are the two key words for you. Compromise and cooperate are the two main words. And wait for the right timing. The timing is not right. Probably you're trying to get something done. That the time is just not right now. So you need to wait for the right time and compromise and go ahead with things. Asha is saying want to know about his health. 8-5. I just missed it out. This is for Asha's husband. I would also suggest if you can give me the name of the person whom you're asking for. That would put me in a much better space. If you think, I see him going through some kind of a health issues. Okay, there is some kind of a monetary loss also that's coming up, and probably that is because of sorry, that's because of that he seen to be disturbed mentally. So that will this time will pass through, but it will take little a while, going about with that. Yes, Asha, I told for your husband, mentally he is little upset or disturbed because of some kind of a losses or things not going the way that he is looking for. So that is why it is going the way he has some health issues, but they won't long last long, and you just need to have patience and wait for the right time for the time to go about. What do you want to know, Sunita, what do you want to know about, or whom do you want to know about with it? We'll take up a general guidance for Sunita Kapoor. Sunita, I see some kind of a beginning for you. Okay. Some new prospects coming up. Okay. Yes, the future is very bright. In case you have something in your mind, please go ahead. It shows success, something really very nice coming your way. Maybe you've been working up for it, or, unexpectedly, but yes, a new beginnings, a new opportunities there for you. Hi, Sarika. Dipali is asking, hi, financial condition will get better. Okay. Dipali, this one is for Dipali. Dipali, it will take time for the situation to improve. Not immediate improvements are not seen. It takes time. You will have to take a lot more effort than what you're putting in currently. But what you think, probably take a wise decision, because what seems is not exactly the way it is. You need to reevaluate your situation and your condition or what has been offered to you, because it's a very rosy picture that is presented and you would not get the kind of results that you're looking out for. So that is what you will have to look out into it. Shikha is saying, Shikha, this your health would start improving next year onwards, not this year. Your health would start improving. It's been very bad. Be little careful for the next 4 months or 2.5 months. Yes, and yes, it shows there's going to be a flow of abundance. This period is getting over. Next year, starting next year, your health would definitely start improving. Yes, Pooja, tell me your sister's name and what exactly do you want to check out for her? Hi, Neva. Pooja, please let me know, Pooja Janeja. This one is for Aruna. Okay. I'm missing out a lot. Guys, don't worry. I would, Sunita is a general, and I would answer everybody later on after the session. I would answer them up. Sunita, the general guidance. So that shows somewhere you need to take fair and just decisions in your life. Okay, do what you believe is right. Do not compromise your principles or your beliefs for anything. So you need to just keep going, moving ahead the way that it is going ahead. I do not say anything, but just do not. At the moment, you're facing some kind of frustration. You are having, you've been forced to do what you are not liking it. You need to be beware of that. Somewhere it shows that some you've been not in a situation of your liking, but do not compromise on your beliefs, your firm affirmations on it, and your trust. Go with your principles, gut feelings, and do not ever compromise. That's the angel's message. Continue the way you are, not compromising, and success would surely be yours. Guys, if I'm missing out on anybody, I would answer after the session. Please do not worry about that. Hi, Garima. Guys, can you please repost your questions if I've missed out anybody, because I'm unable to scroll down a bit. So if you can just re-put forward your questions, and I can definitely take them up right now. Shikha, what do you, Neha, how is going to be husband's job? Siddharth Tandon. Okay. This one is for Neha's husband, Siddharth. Absolutely great, Neha. No questions about thinking about it. He is. It seems like this is the job that he's looking out for. Has been on the outlook for a very long time. So this is going to be a very rewarding thing that's going to go about with him, and his efforts. His efforts. His sorry, that was for just getting this thing. So Neha, I see a very good growth for your husband. There is nothing that needs to be careful about. In fact, it will work in his favor only. This job will work in his favor. No need to worry about that. Priyanka, general guidance for my travel business, please. Yes, absolutely. Priyanka, this one is for you. Rega, it shows that there are some decisions that you're not able to make, or you're not ready to make. You're aware of the situation, but you're not ready to make some decisions. If you make that, it will work in your favor. Maybe it shows some kind of a merger, okay, or some kind of an association, some kind of a collaboration, but you're not able to make that up, or you know, but you're subconsciously not taking that decision. It says that you need to take those decisions, and probably you can start working in your favor. So start taking those decisions. It will not fail you. Go with your gut, and they will definitely not fail you. It will start working in your favor only. Pooja, health will start improving after almost 6 months. Health will start improving. Not right now. The health will start approaching in a 6 months time. Yes, you're lacking self confidence. You're afraid to take decisions. Give it 6 months times, and your health will definitely start improving. Pooja. Shivani is saying for your career. Shikha Kakar for my career. Dr. Deep. Shikha Kakkar, sister-in-law. Okay. Needs to brush up little bit on the skills that are there, but definitely some kind of an addition of knowledge is shown. If that happens, it will work positively in the favor. Okay. So if there is a situation where some new learnings have to be done, definitely needs to go, and then from there, yes, it shows that whatever the person wishes for would definitely be granted. It's just that the brushing up of the skills or upgrading of the skills it's showing, so it would work up that way. 549 relationship. What does the future hold? Give it some time. Uh, Not right now. Give it some time. Take some time off. Okay. Currently you need to reassess the situation where you are in. The relationship needs a reassessment, so give it some time before we can really go ahead and because once you take back, you meditate a little. It's just you need to meditate, and then you would probably be able to see things rationally and take some decisions. It's saying please do not hurry into the relationship. Give it a time. Yes, take a sensible approach. Deal with it with all the challenges in a very rational manner. So take some time, reassess whether it's the right thing to do or not, or to go about with that. So that's where it would help you out. Do not rush into it. Hello. Anybody is left out? If you can please, people can put forward their questions. I'm trying to answer them. Monica. Monica Sharma, 28th August, family life. Okay, Monica, I have you. Monica, gone through some difficult things. Okay, some difficult times. It shows you've gone through it. It is the time to put in more efforts in the relationships. Okay, family life, relationships. Somewhere around you, things have not been growing. Very fast. Some kind of a problem has been there, but it says that you need to forgive and move on and take a little positive approach towards things. And forgiveness is the key. It's asking to forgive. If you are if you've been wronged, or if there's something that way, it says once you get over it, you would start things would start seeing in a very positive way. So you need to go about making little more conscious efforts to rectify things, and to forgive and forget is the best policy at the moment, and things will definitely start improving me. Jeeta, what do you want to know about his business? When Rita is asking for Rohit Kumar, when will Rohit Kumar's business improve? Okay, let's give it a time. Take it around 4 months from now. 4 months onwards, things will start improvising work wise. Until 4 months, it is you know it will take some time, and then things will start improving. There are still 4 months more to go about with this. Brother's marriage, online marketing business, going to be date of birth. With this date of birth, I'll tell you that later on, dear. You can connect with me later on. I'll tell you how to go about with that. Telling you with how it would be, because this would be a very vague answer that I would be able to be give you a more precise answer. I would like to know. Isha, I'll take up yours general prediction. Okay, Isha, this one is for you. Isha, it's asking you that probably you are in a situation where you're fighting something or for some position or some kind of a relationship. It asks you not to give it up currently. Okay, keep fighting for what is rightfully yours and you would get it. Okay, protect what is rightfully yours. Do not give up. Have courage and be disciplined in it. Okay, the result is going to be a happy outcome. So you need to keep going about with that. Kiran Bala, yes, I'll take up general prediction for you. This money contentment coming your ways, you're drawing, you're getting confident in yourself, your confidence is improving, you're in the right way, you're moving ahead in the right way. Sukhvinder, start walking, worried about a man. Sukhvinder, for this, I would like you to connect to me personally. I'll check it up what exactly, in case any chakras are disbalanced or what is the solution. I would like you to connect with me personally, and then from there we can, take it up. Shivani, this one is for you. Shivani, move ahead from yes. Again and again, it's the same thing. Shivani, move ahead. What is not working for you at the moment? You are stuck in a very stale relationship or stale kind of a situation. You yourself know that you need to move ahead, but you're not having the courage, because you would see once you move out for more. It shows more of a spiritual and a emotional growth. So once you move out from here, you would definitely see a better understanding of things and how things can go about with that. So there, that is where you need to let go of the past. You have to, because once you let go, you will be in a much better space. Monica, this one is for you. Monica Anand. Kiran, I think everybody is able to hear me up. I think the issue is from your end. This one was for Monica. Monica, it shows that somewhere you're making an unwise choice. Somewhere the choices or the decisions that you're making are not really sound. One, it tells you to advises you to take some help from somebody. And yes, absolutely. Again and again, even the angel messages are saying, please reconsider your decision. Take others people's involve other people in, if you want to take decisions. If you want to take rational decisions, somewhere the decision that you're having in your mind or you're having about is not the right one. So it advises you to take help of somebody who is more rational and more senior at the moment from you, and they will guide you in a much better way. Hello. Bhanu, I had some. I could read you were asking for your brother. I would like to know his name. If you can give me his name for your brother, or else you can connect with me personally. Also, you can give me his name. Mehek. Okay. Mehek, it shows that there's some kind of a reward coming your way. Something that you've been working for, struggling for a long time. It's coming to a fulfillment now. So this is a time of contentment for you. Okay, so that is for you. So just enjoy the moment. Bhanu is saying Jitendra. Okay. See, Banu, I see it happening soon, but the only thing is there is a word of caution for you that before the matchmaking, you need to take a very rational and a very objective decisions. You need to go about making with it. If you're taking the right things, thing will start working up soon for you. Yes, there is a new beginning. There is definitely happening soon. Okay. But please consider the options properly before going about with that, So that's the advice for you. Nidhi is saying work is good and is going still want to know about the growth. Nidhi. Just let me give me one moment, Nidhi. I'll check it up for you. This one is for Nidhi. Nidhi, somewhere this is you. It shows success. It definitely shows success for you. Okay, it is a time where it's a time of public recognition for you. Okay, and whatever you're touching right now is turning to gold. So that is a good thing for you. So it's just a reaffirmation that you're in the right path and you need not change anything. Yes, Sarika. Did I miss out yours? I'll do a general reading for you, Sarika. Trust your intuition, need for balance and moderation, and something new is coming your way. A new job prospects or a new job prospects or a new work atmosphere is coming up for you. So that is for you. That's where you need to, but you need to develop your self confidence. Believe in what you're doing. You will definitely get it. Okay. Shivani, this one is for you, Kamal, Mr. Kamal Kakkar. Okay. Forgiveness, it's asking to forgive. There is something he's holding a grudge back in your uh, in his life. There is something that he it seems he's been wrong and he's holding that grudges and it's coming out. So you need to ask him to let go of that, move ahead, forgive, and then things are not really very rosy at the moment, but they will definitely improve. Yes, Monica. Just one moment, please. Monica, what do you want to know? Yes, Resham. I'll do it for you. You will have to, Resham, take up, believe in your ideologies. Okay, believe in your ideologies and then go about with it. uh, Mental and emotional balance needs to be made. Look at things from from a different perspective. Maybe this is a period of a temporary standstill for you, but you need to, you will get over it. Just sit back and take a leap forward. Trust your intuitions. It is you feeling as if the situation has come to a standstill, but it's a temporary phase. If you trust your gut feelings, you can definitely go very well. Monica, own house. Okay, this one is for Monica. The foundations would be laid in the coming 3 months, Monica, for your house. Okay, you have the necessary resources. You're mentally ready for it, and whatever challenges it takes. So probably you will have to just go about implementing it. 3 months down the line is a good time to give it up. And yes, definitely, 3 months down the line you would see a difference coming up. There are high chances. Start looking out for a house if you are looking out for, and if you've not looked out for it, so start looking into it. Preet Dugal. Okay. This one is for Preet. Preet, this one is for you. Just give me. There are some decisions which are yet not taken. Okay. Your hard work will pay off, but there is something mostly personally, relating personally, which I can see is that you're not able to take decisions. It will still take time. Okay. Take some time. Do not rush into it. That's what it is showing. And take your time. It's not nothing to rush into it. Take a very calculated decision. Otherwise, probably yes, Sarika, I am. So that you need to be a little careful with that. My sister in coma last year. I just took up one question. S Jaju is saying my sister is in coma last 3 years. Jaju, I would request you if you could. I would check it up with the pendulum. I don't have the pendulum reading right now. I would check it up later, and I could tell you how to go about with that. This would be a little difficult for me to tell you right now at this forum. Wing, Priya, Priya. We'll take up with Priya. Priya is saying. Okay, I just missed. Priya, I'll answer your question later on. Don't worry about that. Veni saying finance and life. Okay, Veni Gokul. Veni. Go ahead. Let go of your fears. Uh, it shows that it's showing something of uncertainty in terms of employment. So you need to let go of that. But once you let go, you are on the right track. You need not worry anything about with it. Your success will be yours. It's not that you need to get scared, because once you start on the new journey, it's going to be an excellent one for you. So you need to let go of the old, embrace the new. Life is good, finances are good, Veni, for you. It's just that you need to outgrow the old that is coming up for you. Pick up the new things with both the hands. That's what you need to go. Okay, so do we have anybody left? Sukhwinder, I'm just taking up. You just came across and I'm taking up yours. Sukhwinder. Too much going on in your mind. Okay? Too much is going on. uh you are in a phase to move forward. There's some kind of a new partnerships happening. They will definitely benefit you. You have overcome a period of sadness and grief. Okay, don't make it a way of life. Okay, you, as I told you in the first card itself, you've overcome a long period of sadness and grief. Move forward. There is new partnerships happening. Maybe an old association has got over with somebody, personally, and something new is coming up for you. So just embrace it. Go ahead. uh, Forgive yourself. Be little soft on yourself is the message for you. I'll take a Pushpinder. Just one moment, please. This one is for Pushpinder. You need to understand, and you need to see the truth of the situation. This is a challenging time for you. Okay. uh, Somewhere you need to understand what is presented to you is just not right. The facts are not really presented to you. They're twisted and turned. So please get a clear idea and understand that things are not as rosy as they seem to be. uh, you need to dig deeper into it and understand what is being hidden from you. You need to get about with that, you know. Harshita, I'll take up a general reading for Harshita. Your wishes come true. There's something that you've been desiring, and you know, maybe you're meeting up an old acquaintance of yours, or you've been wanting to meet, and it's coming true. Okay, some wish of yours that you were being deeply wanting for it, so it's coming true. Do little research. There is some complex decisions that need to be taken before you you know, arrive at some decision, so you need to do that. But yes, it's a card which says that your wishes come true. So think about it. Whom is that you wanting to meet or connect with? Somebody old, long back ahead, and maybe that would be a beneficial oh, I'm glad Harshita saying so true. Good. Yes, Tanya, please put your question, dear. I'll answer it up. Shashwati, this one is for you. Things are looking up for you after a difficult time. This is just the right time. Some good news is expected soon for you. Okay. Uh, you need to be very tactful, but a good news is, I'm sorry, a good news is coming up for you, that you need to you need to take charge of it. Enjoy the life's luxury that's coming to you, Shreya. Okay. uh, you are you're going to be successful in the self employment. Okay. And it's a time for celebration, some kind of good news, or I am not exaggerating, it says a birth announcement. So just go ahead, you're just moving life full circle, and you would definitely reap the benefits of it. So I hope, Shreya, that resonates with you in some way. Yes, Rita, please give me your question. I'll take it up. Please give me your question. Rita, give me a question, or I'll take up a general reading for you. I'm taking up a general reading for you. There are new ideas which are leading to your success. Okay. You just need to keep confidence in yourself. Do not give them up. The outcome is going to be whatever you started, the outcome is going to be very positive. So go about with that. Perfect. So I think I've answered everybody. Uh, Anybody who's left out, I would probably take up after the session. Garima, tell me, what is your question? Sanya is for life and business reading. I'm taking up now yours. This one is for Sanya. Garima, let me know for you. What do you want to know? Your hard work is being rewarded. Okay. Brush your skills is ask you to brush up your skills, brush them up, because it is going to work in your favor only. It will take your business or your work to a different level completely. You would probably get an invitation to some kind of a social circle. Okay. You need to do what is right. You need to you know, stop thinking from your heart, and do what is just right for your business. Go ahead doing for it. Success is coming your way. Some kind of a new invitation to a social circle or an event or something is just coming by. Yes, Resham, I'll take yours. I have done yours general reading. I'll do it once again for you. Abundance. Yes, abundance, and only abundance is what it is coming for you. Trust your gut feeling. Go about with that, because I remember telling you, trust your gut feeling. Go about with it, and you'll definitely have success. Take some time, think about it. It was talking about some kind of a standstill. If you feel life has come to a standstill, but once you come back in the field, you're going to rock it. It's only abundance for you. Aruna, this one is for you. It shows a time of some kind of disturbance. personal or professionally, it shows some kind of a disturbance. Be little careful. I see some trouble coming work wise for you. Okay. uh, so you need to be little careful work wise, either you're self employed or you're into your job or something, some kind of thing, some trouble is coming up for you, so just be guarded on those uh, aspects. Priya, I'll quickly take up yours. Health related stress, work related stress is there, which is affecting Priya, is affecting your life. Okay, your health has been affected because of work related issues. So take a little slow, you've just come out of a difficult situation. Okay, take some time to enjoy yourself, and go about, take it easy. You just come out of a difficult, your health is getting affected by, don't let, nothing is worth affecting your health. So take a little break, and come back rejuvenated, and you can definitely go about with that. So guys, I think I've answered everybody. Okay, Garima has come up with one more, Archana, regarding his family. See, it shows that the base is made properly. Okay, this is, maybe you're not seeing, your sister is not seeing a growth currently. Okay, but that is not to be worried, because end of the day, things will happen very quickly for them. And so, we know things are going to happen quickly, so just reassess the situation and be ready for it. It will turn out well, it will turn out in their favor itself. But currently it seems like everything has come to a standstill, but that's not the face of it, so that's about, with that, just reconsider a few things and go about with that. So guys, we'll just close the session right now. I've answered, I guess, most of the questions. In case anybody's left out, we will answer it later on. I will answer them later on. And you can connect with me personally, or you can go down to my page Number Future, and you know uh, leave your comments or whatever it is, or you can connect with me personally. I'll leave my number. So thank you all for being a lovely audience, and thank you very much, Asta, and everybody, for being a part of this session. And I'm glad, I hope I'm able to you know answer people. Thank you once again for this lovely opportunity. Thank you.